everybody, my name is Douglas Cyberg, the one and only official Crip in Africa. Wow, I know most of you are wowing right now, man. So yeah, we ain't got no Crips here in Africa, so, and I wanted to be a Crip so bad. So like, how can I do this? Then boom, I started digging, researching how the Crip walk, everything, how they breathe, how they drink water, and all that shit. And I'm official, man, the Crip, man. So I gotta take the Crip to the world, and I'm saying, to teach my fellow Africans and everybody who's interested to join the clan, you know what I'm saying? The clan, the Crip clan, you know what I'm saying? The Crip gang. Ain't no gangster and shit, man. Ain't no violence. Most of you are throwing shit on my past video, previous video that I dropped. You were like, bruh, you can do better than this. You've got a family. Nigga, you don't even know me, man. You got a family? Oh, man. Dang. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, hit that notification buzzer, man, to be alerted to my new next video, man. So for this video, it's gonna be a tutorial to teach you a few Crip hand signs. You know what I'm saying? Simple, very simple, man. That everybody can do, man. You know what I'm saying? African, man. Africa, this is the west sign for Africa, you know, for the A, you know what I'm saying? African Crip. Yes, sir. So, for my first sign that I'm gonna teach you is pretty simple. This one is very simple. Like, it's very simple as long as you got fingers. Even if you ain't got fingers, just by doing this, somebody can tell, okay, this one just made the Crip sound. Yes, sir. So I got my blue bag on, Douglas Cyberg. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, nigga. I'm from Africa. I'm gonna juju you, man. I'm gonna voodoo you, man, if you don't hit that subscribe button. You can't be watching me. My ancestors are watching you. Yeah, so hit that notification buzzer. Subscribe, my nigga. Like, comment. I'm gonna tell my ancestors, man. African, you know, and shit. So yeah, so for my first Crip hand sign, we're gonna start with this. This is very simple, my nigga. This is very simple. Just don't Crip, you know what I'm saying? Crip. So, and then the second one is also like, it's a cousin to this one, man. You know what I'm saying? Crip, card. You know what I'm saying? You go like this. So this one's for the next day, man. You know what I'm saying? So so the first one, you make a fist. Pop out your thumb, you pop out your pointing finger. Then you just bend your pointing finger like this, man. It's pretty simple. Crip. Crip. So the second one, the cousin, the extra one, this is not even part of the list. But and then when you thumb out, pointing finger out, middle finger out. Sure. And then for the second one, the third one, anyway, the second one is the West Coast, you know, for the west side, you know what I'm saying? West Coast. So you just pop out 4 fingers. Then if you can manage doing this, you can help yourself using the other hand. Go like this. You twist them together. Not really twisting, you're gonna hit yourself, man. hate yourself. Before I proceed to the next answer, hit that subscribe button, my nigga. Hit that likes button, my nigga. Comment right now, you know what I'm saying? Hit the notification buzzer, you know what I'm saying? Don't just watch. I'll tell my ancestors to watch you all. So yeah, so for the next symbol, it's the African West side, you know what I'm saying? So for the A, you make a piece, then you put them together. Pop out your pinkies, and you got yourself African West side, you know what I'm saying? West side, yes sir. So somebody had to put you in your place, don't you ever get it fucked up on me. Try somebody else, don't put your stress on me. So for the last one, it's the BK. So this is a BK, you know what I'm saying? A BK. So again, you pop out 4 fingers, and then you get your middle finger, fold it on top of, I don't know this finger, but yeah, this one, and then you make a BK. Sir. So the first one, C, Crip. So second one, if you throw it slow, she gon' throw it fast. Yeah, run into the money, she gon' chase the bag. Beat that pussy up, nigga like third one. Little bitch wanna go ahead, she can tag a friend. You already know gang what we in. Yeah, and the last one, DK. Yes sir. Yeah, so, I be with gorillas, I be with them apes. Nigga running from the deep, bitch, ain't no escape. I been riding with the gang, yeah, it's OTR. Got a nigga black, that nigga ain't make it far. Hit him 4 times, chill, left him in his car. Yeah, you already know, smoking like a god. It's a quick walk going down there, man. So hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button. Hit that notification button, man. Hit that like button. Hit everything. Show your boy Douglas back some love, you know. The one and only official Crip, man. Isn't that amazing, man? The one and only official Crip in Africa, man. You gotta show the love, man. It's not easy. It's not easy being a Crip, you know what I'm saying? So for those who shared on my previous video, I just don't understand what was wrong with that video, man. Like I had a gun and teaching you how to murder. No, man. It's all about me showing my Crip flexibilities, you know what I'm saying? So hit that like button and subscribe and know that shit, man. Douglas sideback, man. Blue bag for the couch. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's it, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Douglas sideback. So in my next video, gonna go a bit deeper, man. So yeah, that's it for now. My name is Douglas Sideback, the one and only official Crip in Africa. Blue bag, Sideback, you know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button, man. I'm gone.